Let's do some unboxing. As you can see right now, I don't even know why I'm sweating. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. These are some items I ordered from Amazon. So, this is a net, a black net for my hair, just like this one that I'm wearing in my head. So let's do some unboxing. And there's box. So you guys should guess what is inside this box. You are free to guess. Guess what is inside this box. Let me take a chill water. Life na jeje. Jeje oh, jeje oh, jeje oh. Life na jeje oh, jeje. Take life easy, brother oh. Take life easy, sister oh. Life na jeje oh, jeje oh. Life na jeje oh, jeje oh. So as you can see, oh no, this package is really making me to what am I even going to open it? Baby, come and help me out and do this. So I called my husband and I asked him to do the unboxing for me. Oga, come close to make my camera they see you, eh? Make that they see and say my husband na poli. So with that, so when hubby is around, we act like a newborn baby. So we are doing our unboxing. Oga, come close to the camera so they will be seeing you. What was that? Even made that other okay. Can you see the soap? Let me show you guys. It's a very nice soap. We ordered there's a day we did a purchase with GPay, and it was just like an act. Can you see it? 4 soap in one, different color. That's very cool. So they asked us to give it a try. The soap was nice, just that it doesn't foam much, because as for me, I love soap that foams very well. But it's very good. I can also recommend it. So in case you need it, you can also let me know. And it's very affordable. When I mean affordable, that's affordable.